up close and personal to the ballast regulator. Under there is a big broom. That's its brake and its wheel. That's where the engine is. That's the operator's cab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. It's machine dimensions. That's all, everything underneath. And those hoses go up there. That hose, everything. Stuff goes in out there. That is plow. It's really cool how they build these things. That would go down with the hydraulics, guys. I'm not sure what that does. And that's the opening for the rail. Wow. And that's inside, guys. And then guys, here we have a tamper. Dude, I don't know what. There's the operator's cab. Tamper. Not sure. Wow. This is all very specificated stuff. Look at the number of hoses. I'm not going to, but this is what it looks like inside, guys. All of that equipment. And then there's more of the diesel engine. That's the box. But look at how you so it's. That's where you would turn on. No riding on carts. Pinch points. Keep hands and feet clear. There's that dead end track. No riding on cart. It's like that on the other side. I'm not sure what that does. This is a big dog Tamper. And this is on, and we're gonna try and peek under and just, oh yeah, there's numerous brooms, guys. That's a big broom. It sweeps the ballast. Don't know really how that operates, but that's a mammoth broom, guys. There you guys have it, and that's what guards it. I have a few shovels, a pickaxe, and a spike mallet. And there you guys have it. Kershaw Ballast regulator. Very cool how they build these things. And here is one last look at the Tamper. Look at all of that. The big cab. Everything, Jake. That goes on the ground. This, and then that actually has a brush. I don't know why it would have a brush. But there you have it. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna turn it. Double diagram drum pump. So I don't know. Alright, so there you guys have, I think, something. There you guys have it.